In this video, I will describe in simple terms David Sinclair's theory of aging. Your body is made up of trillions of cells. Inside your cells is DNA, which contains the instructions how to build everything in your body, from earwax to bones to brain cells. Every cell has the same DNA. Your skin cells and heart cells and brain cells all have the same DNA. So if all your cells have the same DNA instructions, how is a brain cell different than a kidney cell? This is where the epigenome comes in. Epigenome sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple. It's simply the packaging of the DNA that hides parts of the information so they can't be read. Imagine a cookbook. The words making the recipes are the DNA, but the pages themselves are the epigenome. Your cells are different because different pages are stuck together. Imagine one cell is a dessert cell. It only has access to recipes for making desserts. All the other pages, for appetizers, soups, and main dishes, are all stuck together, so the dessert cell can't read them. In a nutshell, Sinclair's theory is that as we age, the wrong pages get stuck together.
Oh my God. The pages are stuck together. Oh my God, she made half an English trifle and half a shepherd's pie. It tastes like feet.
Let's explore how this happens in a little more detail. Inside your cells isn't a normal cookbook. Imagine a book without a cover. Imagine all the pages are bound to a pen. As you are cooking, inevitably, you're going to make a mess. Some sauce or egg yolk might splatter on a recipe, so you can't read part of it. This would be like DNA damage, from a sunburn or chemicals or something else. The great news is that your cell can fix the recipe. The pen leaves from where it's holding the pages together to write in the characters to fix the recipe. But when the pen has left its spot, sometimes the pages can shift, and the wrong pages end up stuck together when the pen returns, ending up with
beef in a dessert No, there is no way.
Makes sense so far? I'd love to read your comments below. So your cells can fix your DNA, but what if we could fix the epigenome? A scientist in Japan found a set of 4 unique proteins that can make a cell go back in time to become a special stem cell. But I'll tell you more about that in another video. These 4 proteins were named after the scientist and called the Yamanaka Factors. What I'm about to tell you next should be blowing people's minds. David Sinclair's lab took 3 of those 4 proteins and was able to reverse aging in a mouse's eye. These Yamanaka factors are found in humans. There is a lot more work to do, but within 1 or 2 decades, there should be no reason we cannot apply this technology to reverse aging epigenomes in humans. In you. However, there's more to aging than just the epigenome. Subscribe and hit the bell to check out future videos. Or you could get a copy of David Sinclair's book, Lifespan. I've included a link in the description. If you've enjoyed this, hit the like button to encourage me to make more videos like this. I've tried to make this video accessible for any knowledge level, so you can share it with family and friends. I'll be reading all comments to improve. And until next time, stay healthy everyone.